Physiology of autonomic nervous system. Objectives. At the end of this chapter, the student will be able to define nervous system, explain the autonomic nervous system, list the two divisions of the autonomic nervous system, enumerate functions of the autonomic nervous system, discuss autonomic reflex. Nervous system. System of neurons in center and periphery. A network of billions of nerve cells linked together in a highly organized fashion to form the rapid control center of the body. It helps to keep controlled conditions within limits that maintain healthy or homeostasis. It's responsible for all our behaviors, memories, and movements. Organization of the nerve system. Nervous system, or NS, is categorized into two parts. One, peripheral nervous system, and the second is central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is also again categorized into autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. Central nervous system categorized into brain and spinal cord. Autonomic nervous system again also categorized into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Brain is categorized as or classified forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain is classified again as telencephalon, diencephalon. Midbrain is classified into mesencephalon. Hindbrain is classified into metencephalon and melencephalon. Forebrain is categorized into telencephalon and diencephalon. Telencephalon is classified in cerebral cortex, basal ganglia, hippocampus, and amygdala. Diencephalon is thalamus and hypothalamus. Mesencephalon is tectum and tegmentum. Metencephalon is pons cerebellum. Hindbrain is categorized into mesencephalon and myelencephalon. Myelencephalon is as medulla. Autonomic nervous system. They are autonomic, vegetative, It is regulated by other brain regions, mainly the hypothalamus and the brain stem. The diagrams look like this. Comparison of peripheral nervous system. Somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is still categorized into comparison of peripheral nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, effector organs. Look at in this table. Properties of autonomic nervous system: dual innervation, antagonism, or synergism. Exceptions to dual innervation: SWG, AG, PEM, BV. Antagonistic control is a hallmark of the autonomic division. Exception to dual antagonistic innervation: sexual act. Signaling pathways and mechanisms for autonomic receptors. Look in this table. Also, look this table, second table. Autonomic effects on various organs of the body. Organ. Effect of sympathetic stimulation. Effect of parasympathetic stimulation. Organ: eye, pupil, ciliary muscle, glands, nasal, lacrimal, parotid, submandibular, gastric, pancreatic, sweat glands, upper glands, blood vessels, heart muscles, coronaries, lungs, bronchi, blood vessels, gut, lumen, sphincter, liver, gallbladder, and bile ducts, kidney, bladder. Effect of sympathetic stimulation on eye or organs: dilated, slight relaxation for far vision, vasoconstriction, and slight circulation. Effect of parasympathetic stimulation: constricted or near vision. Stimulation of copious secretion containing many enzymes for enzyme secreting glands. Copious, sweating, cholinergic, thick, odoriferous secretion, most often constricted, is a sympathetic stimulation. Effect of parasympathetic stimulation on glands: sweating on palms of hands, none, most often little or no effect. Effect of sympathetic stimulation on heart blood vessels: increase the rate, increase the force of contraction, dilated constricted. Effect of parasympathetic stimulation on blood vessels, heart, or muscles. Slowed rate, decreased the force of contraction, especially of atria dilated. Then effects on lungs. Dilated, mildly constricted, dilated, respectively. Decreased peristalsis and the tone. Increased peristalsis and the tone. Increased tone or most times. Relaxed or most times. Glucose released. Slight glycogen synthesis. Relaxed, contracted, decreased output and renin secretion. Contracted, none. This is continuous the effect of autonomic nervous system. The diagrams looks like this. Identify which is parasympathetic. Autonomic nervous system summary. Sympathetic nervous system is responsible for fight or flight, upset homeostasis, occur during E situations, almost excitatory, catabolic, has safety factor, TL outflow, length of pre and post synaptic neurotransmitter, NE receptor, adrenergic. Parasympathetic nervous system for rest and digest, maintain homeostasis, rest after. Sympathetic nervous system stimulation, almost inhibitory, anabolic, no safety factor. CS outflow, length of pre and post synaptic neurotransmitter, ACH receptor, cholinergic. Function of autonomic nervous system, regulate visceral activities, causes visceral reflexes. Regulate visceral activities, gastrointestinal activities, blood pressure regulation, urinary bladder emptying, sweating, temperature regulation, changes in heart rate and respiratory rate, secretion, and so on. Causes visceral reflexes, conscious sensory information from autonomic organs reach into brainstem, spinal cord, and hypothalamus via autonomic afferent fibers, and subconscious motor information reach into autonomic effectors via S and PSN, via sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Function of the sympathetic nervous system. 1. Largely fight or flight response, works with adrenal medulla or epinephrine, increase metabolic rates and cardiac output during exercise and excitement, generally excitatory to almost all body parts except for the GIT, inhibitory. Visualizing body changes that occur during E situations. That means exercise, emergency, excitement, embarrassment will help you remember most of the sympathetic responses. Function of parasympathetic nerves. Regulation of digestion, defecation, and micturition. Conservation of energy, anabolic. maintains homeostatic environment, resting and digesting system. Parasympathetic neurons in general have inhibitory effect on almost all body tissues, except in the GIT, excitatory effects on GIT. Function of parasympathetic nervous system. The acronym SLUDD can be helpful in remembering 5 parasympathetic increasing response. That means salivation S, lacrimation L, urination U, digestion D, and defecation D. Besides the increasing S, salute responses, other important parasympathetic responses are 3 decreased heart rate, diameter of airways, and diameter or constriction of the pupils in the enteric nervous system.